Camfil USA Filtration for EV battery manufacturing to showcase solutions at the Battery Show in Detroit. Camfil USA will exhibit its total filtration solutions for EV battery cell manufacturing at the Battery Show in Detroit, October 7th to 10th, 2024. Camfil USA, Northern America's leader in innovative air filtration solutions, is happy to announce that it is one of the exhibitors in the upcoming The Battery Show, which will take place at Huntington Place, Detroit, Michigan, from October 7th to 10th, 2024. As a must-attend event for advanced battery manufacturing and electric vehicle (EV) technology, the Battery Show brings together industry experts and innovators. Camfil USA is excited to exhibit its advanced air filtration solutions at booth 5811. With its goal to improve air quality in EV battery cell manufacturing plants, Camfil USA delivers clean air solutions for all phases of EV battery production, dust collection, clean process filtration, molecular filtration, and comfort air HVAC solutions. At Camfil, we believe your air is our business. We have you covered every step of the way with air filtration solutions designed and engineered to improve air quality, protect your people, processes and products while lowering energy costs. Charles Barman, E-Mobility Segment Manager. Camfil USA invites those attending the Battery Show to check its demo and exhibit at booth 5811 to learn how its filtration solutions can improve air quality, reduce energy costs, and enhance operational efficiency in EV battery production facilities. Its team of air filtration experts will demonstrate the benefits of its advanced dust collection, cleanroom filtration, and molecular air filtration systems designed for the unique challenges of the EV battery industry. About Camfil Clean Air Solutions. For more than half a century, Camfil has been helping people breathe cleaner air. As a leading manufacturer of premium clean air solutions, we provide commercial and industrial systems for air filtration and air pollution control that improve worker and equipment productivity, minimize energy use, and benefit human health and the environment. We firmly believe that the best solutions for our customers are the best solutions for our planet, too. That's why every step of the way, from design to delivery and across the product life cycle, we consider the impact of what we do on people and on the world around us. Through a fresh approach to problem-solving, innovative design, precise process control, and a strong customer focus, we aim to conserve more, use less, and find better ways, so we can all breathe easier. The Camfil Group is headquartered in Stockholm, Sweden, and has 30 manufacturing sites, 6 R&D centers, local sales offices in 35+ countries, and about 5,600 employees and growing. We proudly serve and support customers in a wide variety of industries and in communities across the world. To discover how Camfil USA can help you to protect people, processes, and the environment, visit us at www.camfil.us. Media contact: Lynn Larker, Camfil USA Air Filters. T888-599-6620. Lynn.larker@camfil.com. F. Friend Camfil USA on Facebook. T. Follow Camfil USA on Twitter. Y. Watch Camfil videos on YouTube. L. Follow our LinkedIn page.